Greetings viewers and welcome to Konkan Exotic Pet. Let's go check it out. Well, some handsome birds there, lovely. And so folks, this was 100 baht each. Same price for Thais and phalangs, which is great. You know, some places in Thailand there's a bit of a differentiation in pricing, but same price and $5, 100 baht each to go into Konkan Exotic. So, well, let's go and check it out, hey? Let's proceed. There's a lovely breeze off the water here, and got the hippo there, the 360. Well, I suppose we better go up there and check out the view shortly and check my vertigo while I'm at it. Oh, the ducks just got out. Okay. I tell you what, I know some mates back in Australia be proud of that lawn. Isn't that a nicely presented bit of turf? I'm liking the bridges and the fountains too. How about you? Well, I can tell you that, and excuse the wind noise, folks. There's a bit of wind noise here with this video, but I record as I record, if you know what I mean. So excuse the wind effects, but it's a beautiful breeze up here. It really is. But look, there is a case of vertigo. Yes. If you look down too much, you can get nervous. If, like me, you suffer from a little bit of vertigo. But it's a lovely spot here, Konkan Exotic Pet. Let's head back downstairs and check out more of this little mini zoo.
Beautiful.
Very sway.
Sway.
Yeah, beautiful birdies. Yeah. So apparently this is the hairless guinea pig. I can tell you what, never seen a guinea pig that big in my life. These three are certainly units, that's for sure. Yeah, so the capybara, I've seen a few of those in documentaries, Amazon, South America. Yeah, the poor things, they popular with jaguars and anacondas and caiman crocodiles. But they're certainly big animals, that's for sure. And we've got a bit of noise happening behind us here. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got a bit to say here. Look at this. Look at this. The pecking order. I can tell you what, it's a hot day in Konkan. It must be close to 40 degrees. Actually, I reckon it's a little bit north of 40, and yeah, that wool would be a bit toasty in the middle of the day here in Konkan, yes. But they've got a bit of shade there, that's nice. So it is a small zoo, a mini zoo. You know, you might even call it like a petting zoo, but you can't pat all the animals here, of course. But look, it's a nice compact little zoo, and I love zoos, I really do. And if you're in Konkan Exotic Pet, and yeah, quite exotic these fellas. As his old mate here, that would be an iguana, I believe. See, I'll tell you what, healthy looking specimen, yes. And hello, John Deere. Yes, John Deere is here. And some mates at the back there as well. Good. Got a little bit of Meerkat Manor happening here. Yes. Inquisitive animals, aren't they? Meerkats United. And from the speed of the meerkats to the tortoise. Do you remember the story of the tortoise and the hare? Sometimes steady goes wins the race. And the ferrets are neighbours to the meerkats. There you go. So there we go. Armadillo, taking it easy. Oh, I just woke him up. Sorry, mate. Didn't mean to wake you up from your golden slumber. Geez, you fellas have made a bit of a pigsty in there. So I'm quite partial to the background music here at the Konkan Exotic Pet, and I'm also quite partial to these water fountains. It's a hot and humid day, and the soothing music, the sound of the water fountains, and there is a nice breeze coming through the park here as well. Nice walkways, just a nice, cool, funky little zoo here in Konkan. So there you go, folks. Konkan Exotic Pet. Just a nice little mini zoo. Great little place just to pop in, have a bit of a look around, and I hope you enjoyed the little walkabout tour. Thank you again for dropping by Coffee Chill TV. Don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, TripAdvisor and Twitter. And wherever you are today, I hope you're having a good one, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.